Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a car. It doesn't matter if it's an SUV, if it's German, American, Asian guys, doesn't matter what it is. If you're driving down the road, especially at a higher speed, you press the brake pedal to slow down and your steering wheel starts vibrating. Stay with us guys and we'll explain the top two reasons actually that can cause steering wheel vibration, also known as pulsation, and how to fix that. One of those is very hidden and many of you will never even think about that. How we know it? Based on our experience, because we see all kind of things here at the shop guys. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you need to buy any parts or tools, check out the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Something else, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. So let me just move that engine computer out of here because we're working on that Porsche now. We did quite a bit of work, but one thing I want to show you guys. So if you get inside, okay, you press the brake pedal, okay, you press your brake pedal guys, and your car steering wheel, okay, starts vibrating, pulsating. You can definitely feel the pulsation in the brake pedal as well. Okay, we're going to explain usually what causes that and how to fix it guys. Okay, it could be something guys that is not so noticeable and something that is very noticeable. So let's go ahead, start on it again. Okay, we explain guys. Okay, we'll explain what causes that. So I will need to go on the other side. Give me just a second, because all the tools and parts that we have here, we did a differential replacement, engine mounts replacement, total service on this vehicle. So the number one reason for that guys will be brake rotors that will cause that pulsation. That pulsation and vibration will increase with speed. Let's say if you drive 50 miles an hour, you hit the brake and you have a little bit of vibration in the steering wheel, excuse me, but then you accelerate to 80 miles an hour, 80 miles an hour, you hit the brake and the pulsation, that vibration increases. It's very likely that you have disc rotor that is not even. Not even rotor guys, what will happen, okay, when the rotor is not even, it means we have a high or a low spot and the brake pads will, okay, vibrate, will pulsate. That vibration will be transferred from the rotor and the braking system to the rack and pinion. You see, that's the outer tie rod, rack and pinion, and from there it will go to the steering wheel. So that's very common guys on older vehicles that sat for a long time, okay, and they weren't driven. It could be almost a brand new vehicle, and if it's set for a long time, and especially if you live in a climate where it's humid or rains a lot, when it's raining, what will happen actually, water will get between the rotor and the brake pad, and if it sits for a long time, it can cause a little bit of surface corrosion on the rotor. The moment you hit the brakes, it clears it and you don't see it, so that's fine. But that surface corrosion will make one spot that will be a little bit uneven on the rotor, and eventually that will cause brake pulsation guys, vibrations in the steering wheel. Now, how you fix that? You need to take the rotor out, okay, you need to take the rotor out, take it to the shop, take it to a place where they can resurface it. Okay, they cut the top layer off of it and they make it really nice and smooth, or you replace the rotor guys, depending on the thickness of your original rotor. If it's getting thin, they will not resurface it because it's dangerous. In my opinion, just go ahead and buy a new kit of rotors guys. Don't even mess with resurfacing your old ones, and put new brake pads at the same time. I'll put a link to where you can get rotors and brake pads kit for a really good price, so check it out guys. But 90% of the time that fixes that problem. Now what else it could be? It could be guys, okay, it could be a CV axle that's wore out on the inside. Sometimes a CV axle or bent CV axle can cause that. If it's wore out on the inside, you will develop a play. That play, okay, you will be able to feel it when you're braking, but also you might even feel it when you're accelerating, so it's a little bit hard to tell sometimes. It could be even a bad bearing in the differential, but the most common one that we see, okay, is brake rollers. If you have a tire that's not balanced, wheel that's damaged, or a tire that's damaged, usually you can feel that pulsation vibration all the time, not just when you're braking. We're talking about vibrations when you're braking only. So Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.